and gentlemen, we have our first speaker for today. Mr. Francis Lorenzo Estacio is the Regional Sales Head for Distributive Trade for GMA at GCash. Leading a passionate team, he focuses on empowering SMEs by introducing them to GCash for business products. He is committed to addressing their unique challenges, streamlining processes, and fostering growth in the digital era. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause. May I present to you our first speaker, Mr. Francis Lorenzo Estacio, Regional Sales Head for GMA GCash. Woohoo!
Fast and safe payments? Easy. With GCash for Business, it's easy to collect cashless payments and easy to pay fast and safe. GCash for Business. Experience easy.
Hello? Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Good morning po. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. So, okay naman ako, rinig naman ako, no? So, ako po si Francis Estacio from GCash. Masayang-masaya po kami to participate with PhilSME, no? It's our second time this year. Part po ako, dito po ako para kita ko, no? So, part po ako ng group ng GCash, no? Proud ako na lumalapit sa mga small medium enterprises to offer solutions for your businesses or challenges, no? So very inspiring po, and I would like to thank the PhilSME team, Trixie, Margo, si Roxy, everyone, no, na help with us partner with them na to reach out to SMEs this year. Napaka-inspiring nung experience for me. May booth po kami doon, madaming lumalapit, nagkikwento about how they put up their business, ano yung challenges na na-experience nila. Sobrang nakakabilib po, lalo na yung binild from ground up, no? So, andito po kami to introduce to you yung GCash for Business. Kasi tayo as consumers, we know GCash as yung consumer ginagamit natin, no? Pero other than as consumers, meron po kaming products for businesses that can really help them develop and improve. Sige. Ayan. So, sige. Alright. Ayan, okay. Sige. So, may exciting offer po kami and innovation na i-introduce sa inyo today. Na you can inquire further sa booth natin. Pero bago po yan, ikikwento ko po muna, no, kung sino si GCash at si GCash for Business. So, as we know, GCash has become part of sorry, excuse me. Sige, baka na. Ayan. So, GCash has become part of Filipinos' everyday lives. 'Di ba? From everyday payments and transfers to access to credit or lending, growing or protecting wealth. So, sino po yung mga gumagamit ng GInvest, GCrypto dito? So, to expanding internationally, no, reaching our relatives from out of the country, enabling transfers from other countries to us. And of course, yung supporting green and digital lifestyle po through G-Forest and G-Life. So, testament po tong lahat ng services na to na we are part of yung 94 million registered users of GCash now. Na test the story of financial inclusion, na we yearn for financial inclusion and ease of payments and digital transactions. So through these services, si GCash po is at the forefront of digital transformation in the Philippines. Ang vision ni GCash is really finance for all. Yan. So, ano po ba na-observe namin sa market now? So, may increase talaga in digital transactions that we are observing in volume, no? And decrease in cash handling. So, ito po yung figures. 1 in 5 financial transactions are done in e-wallets. There's 10% increase in digital payments and 61% decrease in cash handling. Yan. So, kaya po ginawa din si GCash for Business kasi we know na yung transactions kailangan din may pangangailangan din yung mga negosyo. So, ang commitment po ni GCash for Business is enabling every Filipino business of every size to experience easy. Experience easy in one, payment transfer. So, from traditional cash transactions, we have now scan to pay, enabling din e-wallet transactions to cash in, cash out. So, baka nakikita niyo po yan in your neighborhoods, local convenience stores. Yan. We also have products for payroll disbursements for businesses. Secondly, experience easy in lending, no? So from traditional lenders and multiple documentary requirements, we have enabled products like G-Credit, G-Gives, and G-Loan to give access to capital, no, to consumers and business owners alike. Experience easy also in digital footprint, no, from physical stores. We're developing yung G-Life mini program where you can feature your business. And lastly, experience easy from a marketing standpoint. So, kung hindi po natin alam, may AdTech and Data Tech din po si GCash, no? From mass advertising and ineffective targeting, we can ads geo-target, we have promo solutions and customer API. So, ito naman po yung mga serbisyo ni GCash for Business na at the moment, we have partnered with 6 million merchants and social sellers nationwide. Yan. So, ito po yung latest innovation, no. Honestly, fresh na fresh po ito. Ni-launch po 'to yesterday. So, we're very proud na we're launching this also in PhilSME. Okay. So, introducing a new way to pay. Yan. So, what we observed, yung current solutions ngayon on payment acceptance, okay naman siya. May natutulungan naman, no, bumilis, pero meron pa ring room for improvement to unlock business potential. So, some challenges are delayed notification, 'di ba? Pag nag-transact tayo, we wait for the notifications. Limited portability. So, if you're paying through QRs, yung 10 card or terminals, tapos yung difficulty to scan. Minsan pag nabura yung QR, you can't scan or yung camera natin sa cellphone, 'di ba? Minsan ang hirap mag-scan, no? So, yun yung nakikita namin. Yan. So we look at ano ba yung trend sa labas ng Philippines, no? So we saw two things. Number one is players across Asia are rolling out soundbox devices. So we have India, Singapore, and China. They all have soundbox devices. Secondly, and we might already know this, yung tap to pay technology outside of the Philippines, no? I.e. yung Google Play and Apple Play. Apple Pay. Right? Yan. So, bakit ba nag-i-innovate, no, on payments? It's really yung nasa center. So, ang gusto talaga natin is to bridge, um, yung product innovations that we do, we want to bridge yung customer at saka yung consumer na yung needs nila, no. So, halimbawa for consumers, ang gusto natin, I want to buy what I want, fast and easy. So for businesses naman, we want to make our operations easy and productive while keeping our customers happy. So for businesses, it's efficiency. For customers, we want it now and we want it fast. Right? So within all these insights and looking externally, we are introducing the GCash for Business Easy Biz Bundle, which we will feature yung SoundPay device. Right? So ito po yung new offer namin which we are offering in our booth for businesses now, no. So medyo madami siya. So isa-isahin po natin, no, kung ano yung benefits nito for a merchant. Okay. Yan. So number one yung device, right? So yung device, kita nyo po, for merchants, we still have the regular QR like scan to pay. Pero secondly, audible sound alerts for successful payments you can bring anywhere. So, portable din siya. So, when someone pays, you will hear it. Tapos portable siya, hindi siya yung 10 card na usually we display in cashiers or counters. May option siya to be portable. So, for those businesses that have service crews on manpower na kailangan umikot, um, meron siyang benefit for those businesses. And lastly, we're bringing in tap-to-pay technology of NFC. So, for Android devices, if you enable NFC, you can also pay through tap-to-pay and iko-confirm nung soundbox yung payment. So, you have paid 1,000 pesos. Yan. So, ganyan siya. So, yun po yung first benefit of the device. Yan. So, what is the advantage? Number one, easy payment confirmation with the soundbox. So, maririnig po natin siya. You can also replay yung last transaction to review. And it prevents fraud from only announcing successful transactions. So, kung hindi po nag-push through yung payment, then hindi po siya mame-mention ng soundbox device. Ayan. So, secondly, second benefit, again, we are enabling yung tap to pay, no, through NFC, which we see in other countries, yun na yung norm, no, na they just tap to pay. Yan. And lastly, easy to receive payments right from the customer, no. So, you can execute this in your stores or in your businesses in different ways. So, you can display it at the counter. And also, ito yung hina-highlight namin na you can put it in lanyards. Na your servers can go around. Usually yung behavior po ngayon, 'di ba, pag magbabayad, e-wallet na lang, no, scan ka QR. Kukunin yung terminal sa counter, babalik sa server. Or for example, gasoline stations. If you're going to pay e-wallet, kukunin yung terminal sa counter, babalik yung server. So, yun, no. So, it's more flexible and portable. Yan. So, dito explaining lang po yung payment journey. So, si cashier provides yung amount or bill. Then, the customer scans the QR in SoundPay. Or, they can tap the G via the GCash app. So, NFC yung bottom, yung sa taas, it's QR scan through the device. So, yung customer enters the amount and confirms payment. Then, yung cashier will receive in SMS notification via phone. So, yung phone po na we are issuing yung feature phone na pwedeng i-check yung transactions. Pero again, dahil may soundbox device na, there's no need na to check the phone for validation purposes na lang. Pero you will hear the soundbox device confirm the payment. Yan. So, yun po yung latest innovation on payment that we are offering right now. Pero we know na merchants need solutions beyond payments, 'di ba? So we are giving solutions on transactions only. Pero ano din ba yung added value that GCash can bring to merchants, no? Kaya we're putting this in a bundle, right? So for new applications of the EasyBiz bundle, we are putting in also upskilling or trainings or upskilling yung merchant skills natin through our partnerships with other companies, as well as affordable solutions for merchants. So, let me discuss quick lang. So, number one, for merchants who will avail of the EasyBiz bundle, they'll get 1 to 2 workshop consultations with Startup Village. So, si Startup Village is a partner of GCash, which vision is to nurture startups and new companies to translate yung ideas nila into a reality. So, the merchants will have access to workshops and consultations. We're putting on also a 30-day extended trial for Canva Pro for marketing and design needs of the merchant. And lastly, for those merchants who want to explore the online space, not just the offline space, they'll get access to TikTok Shop Education 101 exclusive webinar. So those three are really upscaling or really empowering yung merchants, no, to explore yung boundaries of growth na gusto nilang ma-reach. And lastly, yung affordable solutions, we're putting in the bundle also G loan for business, no, which you can apply exclusively if you get the bundle. And lastly, negosyo insure. So for insurance and security, right? So yan po yung major offer namin right now for merchants, SMEs, that we can inquire doon sa booth for GCash. Yan. So, how would it look like quick lang? So, ito po yung SoundPay welcome kit. Set up and accept payments, you can hear fast and easy. So, you'll get a box. The package contents are the SoundPay device. You'll get the lanyard, yung tap to pay NFC, a welcome card and guide, and yung feature phone which you use to validate the transactions. Here's the sample setup on the on the right side of how you can display it. Pero yung SoundPay device, it's really portable. So you can use it whichever you like. Plus GCash merchandise for your store. Yan. So if you want to know more about the SoundPay device, you can scan the QR or just approach us in the booth. Ayan po siya. So we're introducing SoundPay and EasyBiz bundles. Yan. So lastly, we did testing, no, and some of merchants already have feedback, no, of the SoundPay device. Here's some of their feedback. SoundPay helped me to reduce long lines. So efficiency talaga, mabilis na bayad. I can prepare coffee or food without being disrupted because I can now hear when payments are made. So for those na medyo limited on manpower on their branches or multitasking yung employees natin, this can be a very good fit. So its compact size made scanning easier compared to the larger QR standee. And SoundPay sped up transactions by eliminating the need to go back and forth from and to the cashier. So yun po yung nai-eliminate niya. Since it's portable, you can bring it anywhere. Yan. So last feedbacks lang po. The device feature allows for secure and immediate payment confirmation, helping prevent scams involving edited GCash receipts kasi it's validated and yung sound confirms the payment. And customers can maintain privacy since they do not need to show their phone screens for receipt. So yung usual practice na when you pay, the merchant asks for a picture of the transaction. Yun. So that's it for GCash for Business. So we are offering the EasyBiz bundle and SoundPay device right at the booth. If you are interested, you can come visit us. Again, I would like to thank everyone, no, for your time and really participating in PhilSME, no, through our offers, GCash and PhilSME, no, we share yung vision, no, to uplift merchants and help them in their everyday challenges. All right. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Francis Lorenzo Estacio, Regional Sales Head for GMA ECAP.